What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Travis here again with Homebuilt 86. Quick little video for you today. I had a small repair on the front of my house here. It's something that we do in construction really commonly, and it's kind of a trade secret, but would help homeowners or anybody, you know, with masonry anchor issues around the house. For smaller threaded anchors like tap cons, if you don't know what they are, they're kind of a smaller blue screw. That's what's in this, let me give my hand here, in this flagpole mount behind me. So something that you can do that is a really good masonry anchor method. If you got some weed eater line laying around the house, most people have some kind of a weed eater string. We actually carry spools in our trucks. And the cool thing about weed eater line is, you know, it's fairly inexpensive. Sometimes plastic masonry anchors can be really costly, but the weed eater line, even, you know, for a standard hole, just helps to give you a little bit of extra bite. The one cool thing that I think is really neat about it, we use a lot of weed eater string and 16-penny nails. So if we're boarding something up, we can drill a hole, throw a piece of line in it, drive a 16 in it, and say it's a storefront or something. I know in the past 2 years you've had a lot of you know, different businesses that have had to board up the storefront from broken glass or what have you. The cool thing about that is it can be taken off, but it is at least a tamper-proof anchor. Somebody's not going to come up and be able to back a screw out once you've got that nailed in. It takes quite a bit of force. I've actually even seen before where it will pull the nail through the plywood to try to get it off. If you just throw some weed eater line in your normal hole for your tap cons, I believe that's 5/32 on the masonry anchor, but I had to do this small repair on my flagpole holder. The screws that they had in there were already getting loose, so same difference. I'm just going to back the screws out, throw a piece of weed eater string in them, and be good as new. So hang with me, I'll get this switched out real quick. As you can see, it won't tighten up. So if I can get it back out here, you can see I pretty much took that out by hand. I've got some pre-cut pieces of weed eater line. We'll put that in there, put our screw back up there. Sorry if the job's not the best. I'm trying to do this one-handed. And like I said, it's going to be difficult one-handed. So you can see how that really tightened that up. You don't have to run to the store, buy any kind of specialty anchors, anything like that. So I'm going to do that to all 4 of these screws. We'll be good as new, and I don't have to worry about that getting loose anymore. This is a fantastic way to tighten up a masonry anchor. I just take my razor knife and I cut this extra little bit of line off, and you're good to go. So we appreciate it. You know, hopefully these types of tips and tricks help you out. I'll try to be getting some more footage up soon of another video. So we appreciate it. Take care and have a good day.